clean this school is, because oh my god, by the way, it's just something else. It is so breathtaking. By the way, Catholic University cleanliness, just something else. That is 10 over 10. Maybe think I should give it 9, but it's so clean, yani.
So guys, this is the view that you get when you enter the school using the entrance at Bogani. Oh my god, the first impression that I got when I arrived here is that this school is so clean. Like, have a look what I'm saying. So the side I'm walking is where the lecture halls are, guys, and you know your girl never disappoints. I'll be showing you each and everything here at Catholic University, so enjoy. So guys, basically this is how their buildings are, or the lecture halls are. This is how they look. They have been constructed nicely, so during the day you can come and chill over there as you wait for your classes, and maybe you enjoy the free Wi-Fi that is provided by the school.
Yeah, the lecture halls are closed.
Why?
Because they have projectors, I guess, and the offices are found in those lecture halls.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that one, that is something different compared to why I study for the lecture. Our lectures they're not always closed. They are open.
We're going to a dead end.
You can study from there, you can do the study from there. Isn't here the field, I guess?
We have two fields, the inside one and the outside one.
Oh. Yes, so we have two fields. Isn't the inside one compared to the one at so massive you can see there is. So this is how it is, and the grass is bright blue. I don't know why. You don't see rain here.
It's not been rainy. We'll have to exit from where we
my birthday, cause I gotta say you're looking like a gift from me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby.
Oh, and that's a Safaricom free zone. You get Wi-Fi there, free there, where the chairs are. Yeah.
My groove now, don't be shy.
Enjoy free Wi-Fi as we edit our video.
You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of. You could be one of the things I love.
We have masses on Thursdays.
So there is
Everything that is a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. Get on the cherry top. Be one of the things I we don't have to move so fast. Baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, I so much time.
Though not compulsory.
it's not compulsory.
Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy.
The presidential debate was held here, guys. Can you imagine I'm walking when the presidential debate was held? I just thought you should know.
You could be one.
So this university is abbreviated as CUEA. It is a private international university whose mission is to upgrade authentic leaders and upright members to the church and society. I hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. Like, comment and subscribe. And it has its branches all over the world.
It's only this hall that has these chairs. This hall in Otumba. The same room, everything is same.
Don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. Feeling as a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. Get on with the cherry on top.
Sawa, I'm a basement tailor. Yes.
So guys, here the multi-purpose hall. This is how it is, and we can do it.
Every hall has a notice board. Entrance.
Oh, this one the entrance of the hall.
Cafeteria for the lectures. This one for the lecturers.
Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby.
Today.
Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in
I guess where the teachers keep their things or get their emails.
Cause I got the system of faith.
Not sure.
You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it.
Yeah.
You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love.
Sasa mbona vile nakaa separate? Admissions. It's just admissions. Offices are not on one building. This is just the admissions at the registrar. Then other offices are on each building. Yeah. And also the LRC has other buildings. Yeah, this is yeah. It now makes sense. No, same size. Same size. Yeah. We have 3 gates. So this is gate A.
You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top.
And the reception.
Be one of the things I love. The things I love. The things I love. The things I love. Love, 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 love. The things I love. The things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love. The things I love. The things I love. Love, love, love.
Colobus Mingi. Yes.
Oh my god, guys, this is now the whole debate, presidential debate was held here. Can you imagine? Okay, just can't wait to get inside. Hope it's open. Let's see, let's find out. Let's continue walking anyway. Guess what? Where I'm standing is where the presidential debate was held. Can you imagine that? So let me show you the look of everything, how it is. Yeah. So this one here so guys, I couldn't show you how the whole inside this was. I told like another event has already been booked, so that you need to arrange it and everything. So I think next time.
Wametoa flags ama hawajaziraise bado. Flags hawajaziraise.
So guys, behind me is the largest library in Eastern Africa. Oh my god, you can't believe that. It looks so nice by the way, but again I couldn't get a chance to get inside because it's locked. Like I told you, I came here a bit earlier, so too bad. But it's the largest library in Eastern Africa. Oh my god, you guys. Just take a we're getting inside the cafeteria by the way. And these guys, it's good on the side.
Yeah.
Control the kids. You don't know the exit. It's called Yellow Pages. You don't have mess, you have the cafeteria, you have it is beautiful, you can it's called Bogani. Is where students get cheap meals, cheap food, cheap meals. So if in Catholic University you feel like you want cheap food, here is now the place. As you can see, this is the look of it. This is how it is. It's called Bogani. Bogani, here we are. Most of the places are closed, so I think we'll be leaving. Just came to show you. So guys, I'm hoping you've really enjoyed watching this video. Please, if not subscribe, click that subscription button, like, comment, and help me share this video widely. See you on my next episode.